RESTORE-LITE is the lightest temporary power restoration unit on the market. This lightweight, mobile unit, featuring an available hitch carrier, makes it easy for one-person deployment. RESTORE-LITE can be used on any type of truck with a 2-inch receiver. Benefits of our RESTORE-LITE systems include restoring power within minutes to homes, single lineman deployment, compact and portable unit. Because of RESTORE-LITE's cam-lock design, the cord can be changed to accommodate a meter or pedestal configuration. RESTORE-LITE is also available with CT protection, detecting backfeed and imbalance and shutting down the unit. Another RESTORE-LITE feature is its locking kit, which allows the unit to be safely and securely locked down after site installation. Contact the experts at Allient to learn more about RESTORE-LITE temporary power restoration.